so that I'm not entirely certain whether you can hear me or not. I've got the windproof thing over my mic, but last time I recorded in this kind of wind it was almost impossible, so I'll have to put a high pass filter over it and hope for the best. But I don't see another opportunity when I can record the intro unless I do it in my bedroom, so I'm doing it now. So today I'm going to be showing you my pull workout, so back and posterior chain. Yeah, there's a cyclist coming, hold on. Oh, honestly, the worst thing is walking when the wind is coming straight into your eyes. It just like makes me tear up and it's really weird. Anyway, I'm walking down to the gym in Marsh Barton in Exeter today to do my workout. I hate this walk. It takes me an hour to walk from home to the gym, which is not ideal at all. And there's only one gym close to home though, and well, there's two actually. There's one at the Golf and Country Club, which is too expensive for me, and then there's Pure Gym, but that's always packed. Like, this gym in Marsh Barton is empty, so I prefer to go there than Pure Gym, which is half an hour from home. So I walk an hour down to Marsh Barton because I can't drive yet. Need to learn to drive soon. And then an hour back, which isn't ideal. Need to get a chocolate milk from Sainsbury's to tie me over for the calories, like, because that's 600 calories because I'm bulking and stuff. Well, not so much like I used to be, but still trying to eat in a slight caloric surplus. Oh, there's like a heron thing over there. Don't think I'll be able to get my camera, but that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you my back workout today, pull workout, so posterior chain, biceps, back, everything. I'm going to start off with some deadlifts probably, and get into like lat pull downs and rows, stuff like that, and then end up with different variations of bicep curls, so both barbell and dumbbell. Yeah, should be good. Do it similar style as I did my leg workout video. Hope you enjoy. The heron, oh, literally just flew off, and there's a train over there. Yeah, I walk through the nature reserve when walking to the gym, it's pretty cool. Anyway, yeah, like I said, see you in the gym. So the first exercise is conventional deadlifts. I start off with warming up with just a bar, and then I do pyramid sets like in my squats on my leg day workout. So I gradually work the weight up to what was my PR at the time. This was recorded around a month ago, so I ended up doing 110 kilograms for a few reps. I can now do 120 for the same amount of reps, I think like 3 reps possibly. But yeah, I showed myself doing 3 sets of conventional deadlifts here. As you can see, just working the weight up, and then I do 1 drop set at the end, which isn't included in the video. Second exercise is pull-ups. Now, looking back at these, I don't think my form is entirely perfect. I mean, it's not terrible, but like, it could be improved quite a bit. I've spoken to a PT afterwards at a separate session, and he basically recommended I do it straight legged and try and involve my core more to stabilize myself. As you can see, I'm swinging a bit backwards and forwards on this, which isn't great, but I do like 3 sets of 7 or 8 pull-ups, I believe. Don't think I'm quite at the point to being able to do 10 yet, but I can definitely do at least 5 solid ones. So yeah, 3 sets of pull-ups is the second exercise on my pull day workout. Third exercise is a row variation. You can do chest supported rows with weight plates, or you can do it on a cable machine with a bench, but on this occasion I'm just doing single arm rows on the cable machine. It's an exercise I've been doing a lot recently, following the muscle fibers by curling my elbow round at the back and getting a good stretch at the front as well, stretching out my lat as far as possible before I row back. Single arm rows, doing 1 arm at a time, obviously single arm rows, so I have clips for my left arm and my right arm separately. So yeah, it could be any row exercise, by the way. It doesn't specifically have to be this. Like I said, it could be plate loaded rows, it could be seated rows, chest supported rows, and any kind of row exercise.
Pass the key, throw it away.
Fourth exercise is any kind of lat pull downs. I think this is diverging lat pull downs I did here because it was the machine which was free at the time. So that's just 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps of lat pull downs. Next up we have any form of dumbbell bicep curls. So I'm not entirely sure what the name is of this variation, but it's the one where you start with your hand pointed one way at the bottom and you twist so it's coming up towards your shoulder, as you can see in the video. Sorry, the first clip is a bit blurry as well. Seems to go out of focus, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, I do variations of bicep curls. After this, I go into the curls where you have your arms supported on the bench. Again, I don't know the specific names of them, but I have my arms supported on the bench. I think I'm doing 12 kilogram dumbbells here. So I do about 8 to 10 reps on either side of 10 kilograms, or if not to failure. So yeah, 3 sets of those on either arm, and then we have the other variation for 2 more sets at the end, I believe. And then the last exercise is dumbbell shoulder shrugs, so to work out your upper back, your traps and stuff. You can do it with a barbell. I chose to do it with dumbbells on this occasion. It doesn't really make much difference, to be honest. Or you can do it with, is it the hex bar? The bar which you can use for deadlifts and stuff, which I did it with yesterday in Pure Gym actually, so I don't always do it with dumbbells. I do mix it up depending on what kit's available and what I feel like doing. Basically, I follow this routine every pull day session, but it doesn't have to be the same type of rows. As I said, it doesn't have to be the same bicep curls variations. It doesn't have to be done with dumbbells on these shoulder shrugs. It can be any variation of these exercises. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see my push workout, then drop a like on the video, comment down below. That should be next because I've done my leg workout and I've done my pull workout. Yeah, subscribe if you're new because I put a lot of effort into these videos. If you can't tell, turn on post notifications. I have a banana milk, which I got from Sainsbury's before going to the gym to have now, as well as a protein cookie, 20 grams of protein in them, which is pretty good. And I think I've earned it today because I did 110 kilogram deadlifts, as you've seen, and that is my joint PR, so having a protein cookie is probably well deserved. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna head home now. It takes me an hour to walk home. Subscribe if you're new, like the video if you enjoyed and you want to see my push workout. I'll hopefully come and record that video later this week or possibly next week. Yeah, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications, like this video, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.